Hi everyone, I am going to give you a tour of our Airbnb in Bingin Cliff House. Mark actually booked this place as a surprise for my 40th birthday. He wouldn't tell me where he booked. I love organic looking houses with trees, and the amazing part is it's the view. How beautiful is that view? So we open the door and it opens up to this living room area, and it has doors that slide and lets the breeze in, and you get to see the surfers in Bingin Beach. It has such a beautiful breeze in this place. We have a big dining room here, dining table. This place is actually has 4 bedrooms, so it can accommodate 8 people. Stove, all the cooking, but we won't be doing any cooking here. But for those who want to with big groups, this is the perfect space. And come on, have some drinks, enjoy the view. I love it. I wish we could stay longer though. It opens up to the little balcony here, and this is our bedroom. This is the master bedroom with a sliding door. Look at that. It smells good. I like this. It has air conditioning. I don't know, we'll try to see if we can open the doors and just let the air in. Each room actually has their own bathroom. So there's a sink, shower, and this is the other room here. Just slide. Look at that. Can you imagine waking up with plenty of sunlight? Very earthy, very neutral. I love the colors that they chose. Same thing, bathroom. It's pretty normal looking, but you know, looks clean, and that's the most important thing. It's cute actually. They have another balcony here. We go up this spiral staircase. And here's another hangout place. This is actually a really good place if you're traveling with a group of friends. There's plenty of space for everybody to spread out, enjoy a good afternoon or actually sunset right here. I'm gonna say they did a really good job with building on this place. There's actually a lot of houses or Airbnbs or hotels along this beach area, but I'm just really impressed at how beautiful they do it. It's like for our Airbnb, it's a mixture of like wood, a little bit of cement, and it just feels so organic looking, and it gives me peace in my heart. For me, I'm not big into cement places, and this place is just beautiful mixture of that. So we go down another spiral staircase. So the good thing about each room here is everybody gets a bathroom. Another sitting area. So this is the bedroom number 3. There's another sliding door. Ooh. Slide to the bathroom. Sheer curtains. If you want to close. Go and whew. Next one. Let's go to next door. It's almost the same layout really. Oh my god, that breeze feels so good. Oh, so good. Sliding door. I do like their color palette here. Very neutral looking, very earthy. And in our bathroom. I honestly wish that we could stay longer. There's so many places to visit and to see in this area. But I could spend the whole day or afternoon just looking out, just enjoying the view. All right, anyways, that is it for the video tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't visited Bali, please come and see for yourself how beautiful this place is.